This video is about using the Galaxy 8.7 inches A7 Lite tablet to control the DJI Mavic Mini using the DJI Fly apps. A disclaimer here, I'm not sponsored by any of the companies I mentioned in this video. I'm just happen to be a happy customer and I want to share my shopping experience. This year I plan to use a drone to capture better videos for my new boats. My DJI Spark's battery didn't work anymore and it cost about $125 to get a new battery. It makes better sense to buy the DJI Mavic Mini. A full Fly More combo cost me $269 at New Eggs. The problem is my old phone cannot run the new DJI Fly apps. Luckily, I found out this Samsung Tab A7 Lite runs the 64-bit OS and it should work with the DJI Fly apps. A new one on Amazon is around $139. I got the open box one at eBay for under $100. Also, it comes with a 1-year warranty. The tablet arrived today and it is in an almost new condition. I'm very happy with the 3-day delivery time and also the condition of the tablet. It comes with the original accessories and the battery is also fully charged. Since DJI Fly app is not in the Google Play Store, we have to set up the system and we can install the app from unknown source. You can swipe down and then touch the setting button and select the biometrics and security. Next, select the install unknown apps and then select my file. You can toggle the button to allow the apps be installed. Use Google and search for the DJI Download Center. You will see the warning messages. I clicked the detail button to see the detailed download progress. Once the file has been downloaded, go to the home screen and click the folder icon. Then double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation. This is the setup for the testing. I only have the short cable comes with the system. I did a very simple experiment. I set the brightness of the tablet to its maximum. As far as the sun is not behind me, I think it will work for me. Will that work for you too? Please let me know. I ordered this 1-foot-long extension cable, and I would have to order a tablet holder also. When I first installed the apps, the installation was blocked. I have set up the advanced protection with my Google account, which prevented the side loading of the apps. I tried to unenroll, but still couldn't fix it. Therefore, I set up another new Google account and installed the app. Then I removed the new account on my tablet, and everything works. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like. I have many fun projects on my channel. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thanks. See you again. Bye.